Right there, right there. Got him, done. Got him.
Go! Let's go!
Got him right in the face. Got the other one in the face.
Go. Get the two, get the one. Second one, stay together.
Oh,
Shit!
oh no.
Man down. Good done. Get the bandage. Look for QR codes, intel, anything. Hey, someone over here, search the building.
Hey, let's get more guns in this building in front of us. Go. Let's go.
Ooh. Can range them. 12 o'clock. Stacked in the bushes. I see some way out there. Got him.
Hey, is that green right behind us right there at that dumpster? Yeah. Hey, we got green behind us across the street!
Hey, across over here on the street.
Going up to the second floor.
Hey, tree line, tree line. Jason, move, move.
Okay. Yeah, eat a dick, bitch.
Hey, they're crossing. They're trying to get across. Hey, they're on the wall. They're on the wall. They're on the wall.
Got him. Reload, I'm up.
Hey! One in front! One in front!
Garbage can, garbage can.
In this building here. Or doorway.
On your six, on your six.
They're in this corner.
They're here, right in front of us.
Hold it the fuck down!
On our side, they got pushed up. Okay, got that bitch all way the fuck out there. Hold on.
Get in. Come on in. We're fine.
I must want to get in there because I got the 4.3s and they'll punch the fucking
Hang
shit.
out right there. They just made a desk, yeah.
No, yeah, they pushed up and they just all got raped.
Hey, watch your road!
Go. Jason, coming through. Hey, Chris, come here. Close right here.
Oh yeah.
Got another one. Dude, I got him, Hugh. 3 down.
I'm medicing him. God damn it. Got him.
Hey, do you see where those 3 dead guys are? And the fucking looks like a mortar?
Yeah, they've been they're going back and forth. I've been lining up their corpses, man. If they want to get, I mean, if they're gonna take cover behind them, I'll shoot them.
Get the fuck out
Yep.
of the way.
At the tree line, right to our 12.
Someone get across the road, the center of the river, and you can stop going on this side of the road. Let's get it happen. I'm holding on me. Yeah, boy.
Smoke out, smoke out.
Arm out, arm out.
Yes, sir. Hit. Fuck, he's hit. Jason, get him up, I need you to watch me. I got 2 medics down.
Right there, right there.
Hugh, guy behind trash can? Yep.
Most of them.
Got him right in the face. Got the other one in the face. You going back to prize?
We're moving. Oscar Mike, 30 seconds. You hold the position. Last 3 hours. Go.
Come in, guys. Go down. We got one more behind us.
One more. Run it.
Building's clear.
Right there. Got him. Done.
Oh God, yes. Fucking eat dick. Ah, bitch.
I'm watching this guy, man. Come on. He's fucking talking. He's dead.
Hold on, another one in the tree line. He went back in. Hold on. Done, got him. We both did shit. Good job. That's how you do it.
Motherfuckers ain't even touching pussies.
Come on. Hugh, upstairs, I have direct shots on everyone here. Kill one guy at tunnel, and then we have a shit ton at the tree.
Get some, baby, get some.
Hey, we're gonna push right. We're pushing right, Jason. Oh, yeah. Got him. Got him on my last BB. Hey, push up. We just wiped out the first, formation. You ran out of ammo and I ran out.
Hey, fire coming from 3 o'clock.
Go! Let's fucking go! Take it slow, Ryan. I got your back.
On your 6.
lacing him up, but okay.
Hit, 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 hit.
That was a fucking gnarly ass push. I teabagged Jason, that made me happy.
I'll give you cover, you gonna run back?
Yeah.
All right, gotcha.
You're good.
Yep, ready, go. I like dumb shit.
Hey, keep your eyes on that berm right there.
Taking fire here, 12 o'clock, fire, 12 o'clock, 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock to your 12.
Hey!
I'm gonna drag him into the bush line right there. All right. Hey, you good to drag?
Hey, you good for a drag?
Okay, in route, in route. Now get your plate. You ready?
Go.
You ready? Yep. I can pull on your plate. All right.
Yep, we're good.
All right.
Just over the pile of rubble, guys. They're far.
Hey, I'm gonna put an LMG on top of this berm right here.
Don't do it. I'm sensitive.
Searching you, searching. What do you got? You're good. Intel. Roger that, on the way. Chris, I'm backing up. Hugh's coming back, he has intel. Hugh is coming back, he has intel.
Okay, bet.
Went down 2 mags on that push with you. But yeah, right next to as much as Jason started fucking face fucking him. Every time.
Oh, right here.
Get him, get him, get him!
There's so many of them! Joe, look, I just killed a fat guy.